Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Sologenic and COREUM taking over. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe, and for that you guys can check out the Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer on Decent. Decent is convenient, safe, and secure. You can check out their biometric wallet, which has got a phenomenal $60 off, and you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got an astonishing $139 off, only if you follow the link in the description box below. And folks, Decent supports 3000 plus coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets, including your favorite ones, Ripple, Stellar, XDC, and others, guys. So do check it out. I personally prefer storing the assets in a cold hardware wallet, so I would like you guys to check it out. Anyways, guys, now let us look into the price and chart of both Sologenic and COREUM at the time of the recording. Let's see what they've been up to. So, guys, as far as Solo is concerned, the price is down 3.08% for the day. The price went as high as 12 cents almost, and as low as almost 11.5 cents. If you look at the last 7-day chart, it is down 5.73%. The price went as high as 0.123. 123. So yeah, this is cool. This sounds good. 123. And as low as 0.1161. So basically it is falling as well. Let's see the monthly to see what's happening over here. So yeah, there is a lot of volatility in the monthly. We do not know what's happening at the moment. So basically the price is going up and down, and the 12-cent mark is working as a attraction point, the magnet point. So basically 12 cent is that mark. So I think the price might get back to these levels soon. Yeah, check this out, guys. If you look at the yearly as well, the price has been in this range, 19 cents. This is 0.089 cents, almost 9 cents, guys. And basically the 12-cent mark is an attraction point in the yearly as well. Whenever the price has gone up, it has come back down to this level, and yet again when it has come down, it has come back up to the 12-cent mark again. So this seems to be a good point. But guys, overall, it is extremely undervalued. $46 million market cap is nothing for what Sologenic can provide us in the long run. It has a huge use case, a huge utility once it basically starts to gain traction. It has got great potential. The market cap is low. It is undervalued, as well as COREUM, guys. Most of the time, COREUM and Sologenic reciprocate each other's in terms of price action. So if we look at the monthly as well, so yeah, in here, the 10-cent mark seems to be the attraction point. So the price went as high as 12 cent from 0.0, almost 9 cent in the last month. But if you look at the yearly over here, guys, it is extremely undervalued in the year as well. Ever since it made its move up to from 7.5 cent all the way to 30 cents, the price has come down as well, testing these crucial support levels over here, guys. If you truly believe in COREUM and Sologenic, you have to do your own due diligence, your own research, and only invest what you can afford to lose, obviously. But if you do truly have conviction in what Sologenic and COREUM are all about, these are the prices to get into, guys. It might even break the support, but if you have conviction, obviously, you have to get into these projects. It is a great time. $37 million market cap. 40 something million dollar market cap. How much? Yeah, $46 million market cap. So it has the potential to be huge. So check this out, guys. This is the Sologenic official handle. We've got latest news over here. May 22nd, catch up with Sologenic and the largest crypto exchange in Latam, Bit2Me, with a live AMA in Spanish, guys. This is that AMA. If we have any community members who know Spanish, they can basically listen to this 52 minutes long AMA in Spanish, guys. So yeah, we covered the XRPL Apex XRPL Apex as well in the last triple XRP video. Check this out, guys. This seemed to be a really nice and neat video over here about COREUM. Sologenic has shared this, reposted this. The COREUM team took over XRP Vegas. Catch a glimpse of what went down below. Key panel discussions with Uphold Inc., XDC Foundation, guys. You know how much bullish I am on XDC network, guys. It will be huge in my opinion. And Moai Finance, supercharge your XRP station, billboard on the strip, on-site interviews. So let us look into this. COREUM, basically both COREUM and Sologenic, I think.
Welcome to XRP Las Vegas. This is the largest conference for XRP community. We were here last year, and this year it's double the amount of people here at the MGM Grand Conference grounds. Companies like Ripple, Uphold, of course, Sologenic and COREUM.
They need to slow down a volume a bit so we can listen to them much more clearly. I mean, yeah.
Panel with other builders that are pushing interoperability on the XRPL. I think Peersist, Moai Finance, XDC are joining us. I think for this one we're just going to showcase how our methodology is when transferring assets from the XRPL into COREUM. I think there's certain nuances between how everyone is deploying these sidechains, these bridges. So it's going to be a good panel. I'm ready for it, and yeah, let's go.
Hey everyone, Mike McCluskey here. We're at XRP Las Vegas. Got the whole Sologenic team here with me. We've made some really good connections. As many of you know, we're working on real-world asset tokenization, and it's really exciting to see a lot of the asset issuers here immersing.
Real-world asset tokenization is going to be huge, guys, and Sologenic is one of the front runners. I know a lot of these RWA coins have done good based on pure hype, but very few of them actually have the utility and eventually will have the utility to basically have a real-world impact, a real-world use case, and basically be rubbing with the shoulders with giants, financial institutions. Sologenic stands the shot to basically disrupt the RWA sector practically, guys, basically. So this is great.
Themselves.
Put a QR code here for anyone who wants to supercharge their XRP and just try the new COREUM bridge. You can access any of these chains, as you can see, that we currently have IBC channels with. So you could potentially send your XRP directly to Osmosis, Secret Network, DYDX, BAN. And it's really early, as some of these liquidity pools are just being formed with new custom trading pairs, maybe XRP with USDC, XRP COREUM. So it's a great time right now to just explore and see how can you put your XRP to work. Alright, it's a wrap for XRP Vegas 2024.
This particular event was heavily focused on the community.
I really liked the content of this conference. They had really key speakers. Really happy with this event, the venue. I think now it's time to head over to the pool party. I'm not good. I'm kidding, guys. It's a wrap. It's a wrap.
Do a pool party when COREUM and Sologenic both take off. I mean, we need a pool party then. You need to continue building at the moment. So guys, basically COREUM and Sologenic were a part of XRP Vegas, guys. They were joined by XDC Foundation, Uphold Inc., Moai Finance, and others, guys. This is a really good opportunity where they can basically showcase their utility, their use case, what they're doing, what they have developed, and their future aims, and also forge some great partnerships, connections, network building. I really like these events. People say that this is just for show off and all, but I think that these are really important events, guys. So check this out. Hey, Solo and Core, stop spending my money. Okay, so yeah, but spending this money might lead to good partnerships and good exposure. So we're in for that. If you truly believe in it, what XD is, what Sologenic and COREUM are all about. But there are also pessimists and skeptics. Obviously, everyone has to do their own due diligence. Looked empty to me. Also looked empty on the stage. Also, XRP Las Vegas was third to fourth. Why did it take so long to post this? Was it outside the dates? Is it jam packed? So people are skeptic as well that no, this is all showboating. So if you don't have the ability, quit the business. Stacking 8-9 cent COREUM as it pays me direct daily to hold it is like a cheat code, and my future self will thank my present self for doing so. So you guys can see a lot of polarized views. People are skeptics as well, frustrated as well, but there are people who are optimistic about Sologenic and COREUM as well. So we need Sologenic to be on Binance. So which one are you? Are you a pessimist in terms of Sologenic and COREUM, or do you think that they both have great future in the future? So this guy over here, Cryptoman X, blatantly is saying that it is a scam token. So care to explain why? Yeah, I really like. I do not basically avoid these posts that a certain coin is scam token, but if they provide a reasoning and explanation, because we all always want good research, a good argument, and a good debate in terms of these projects. But most of these statements are without any explanation. So anyways, so which one of you believe that it is a scam? Which one of you believes that it has a good future? And which of you believe that it will not have a good future? I would like your opinions in the comment box below. Do it, let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.